What does "the cleaning staff will take out the trash every evening" mean? It signifies consistently removing recurring problems or undesirable elements. Proactively addressing minor issues prevents major crises. This idiom emphasizes regular, reliable action, tackling issues systematically as they arise, keeping things running smoothly for efficiency. To help you understand the idiom, let's take a look at a short dialogue between two people.
Hey, did you finish that report on the budget overruns?
Almost. But first, I need to make sure the cleaning staff will take out the trash every evening for our team.
Wait, literally the cleaning staff? Are you talking about emptying the office bins?
No, I mean, we need a system so that the cleaning staff will take out the trash every evening to deal with recurring minor issues before they pile up. Today's idiom, "the cleaning staff will take out the trash every evening." This phrase means more than literal waste. What was its original meaning? Systematic problem removal, physical office cleaning, or a secret signal? Hint: think routine maintenance. Guess before we reveal the answer. The correct answer? Systematic removal of recurring problems, originating from 19th century urban sanitation, where regular refuse removal prevented disease. This evolved metaphorically to describe consistent, predictable elimination of recurring issues. It highlights proactive system maintenance, ensuring smooth operation, much like a city's daily cleanliness. Let's see this idiom in action. First, our IT team ensures the cleaning staff will take out the trash every evening by running system checks overnight. This means eliminating technical glitches. Second, in a healthy relationship, both partners make sure the cleaning staff will take out the trash every evening by addressing small grievances immediately. This trash signifies minor disagreements. Both examples highlight consistent, proactive problem removal for smooth functioning.
Quiz time. Which two expressions are similar to "the cleaning staff will take out the trash every evening"? Options: nip it in the bud, sweep under the rug, leer the decks, let sleeping dogs lie. Remember, our idiom means consistent, proactive problem removal. Which two fit this proactive spirit? The two similar expressions are nip it in the bud and clear the decks. Nip it in the bud means addressing problems early, preventing growth. Clear the decks means removing obstacles to prepare. Conversely, sweep under the rug hides problems, and let sleeping dogs lie avoids old issues. Both are opposite to our idiom's proactive spirit. To summarize, the cleaning staff will take out the trash every evening means consistently removing recurring problems. Originating from 19th century urban sanitation, it highlights proactive maintenance. Remember this idiom for persistent issues. By ensuring the cleaning staff addresses the trash, you'll maintain smooth operations and avoid complications. If you have any idioms you'd like to study, please leave them in the comments.